So hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're gonna talk about how to retrieve Monopoly Go account. So it's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So basically, to retrieve your Monopoly Go account, it's really simple. All you have to do is follow these simple steps. All you have to do is go to the top right corner of your screen and click on your hamburger menu. Second is go into your settings and then go for customer support. So press your customer support and there you go. It'll redirect you to another page. So here you will have to press this how can I contact customer support, and then all you have to do is scroll to the very bottom until you find this chat with us button, and there you go guys. That is the customer support itself. So all you have to do is state that you have lost your account, and they'll ask you to give some details about your account. So remember guys, if you are using a guest account, it will not be able to be retrieved anymore since it was only a guest account. So you can only retrieve Monopoly Go accounts which has been actually registered in Monopoly Go itself. And there you go guys, that is how you retrieve your Monopoly Go account, and they will get back to you in a few days or a few hours after your concert is done. So there you go. And that is how you retrieve your Monopoly Go account. And thank you for watching this video. See you again next time.